A lesson that I've learned the hard way is to always reset my camera to my most default settings after every shoot. For landscape photography, I'm usually shooting somewhere between f11 and f8. But at night, I'm gonna turn this all the way down. In this case, 4, sometimes 2.8, sometimes 1.4. If I'm out late shooting astrophotography, my ISO is gonna be way different. It's gonna go from low 50 all the way up to 3200 or 6400. And if I forget to turn that off when I'm shooting at sunrise, I usually want sunrise to be the lowest ISO possible, f8. There have been so many times that my ISO is still set to 3200 and I don't notice until after the coffee kicks in. If I'm gonna go shoot a portrait of somebody, all my settings are gonna be completely different than landscape photography. So as soon as I'm done, I reset it back to the settings that I'm gonna need because I know I'm gonna wake up early one morning and I know I'm gonna screw something up because I haven't slept. So I make my camera idiot-proof after every single shoot.